Okay, we'll move this one first, yes. What's that?
Oh, you hit me, Mama.
I'm sorry. The video that you're gonna see is the third grocery haul from the Pinoy online store. The second one was recorded using my husband's cell phone, which got broken because he left it inside the microwave when he fixed it. So good thing it did not explode, because microwave plus cell phone inside is a big disaster. But good thing it did not. Thank you, Lord. Okay, open. Open. This is our box from the Filipino store. It's our third order. This is our third order. I think this is the third one, ba? Put it right there. They're delivering everything today because yesterday was a holiday. That's why we got everything today. Oh. Okay, excuse me, okay, good job. Now it's open. Excuse me. Sophie's favorite. Show there. Show over there. It's Bali. This one is Piatos. Sophie's favorite. Then roller coaster. We did not eat a roller coaster yet, ba? And then our favorite, Richie. There are two Richies. Two. So, two Richies. Ah, Mama's favorite. It's Moby.
Look at my favorite.
Oh, Aya's favorite. Yeah, pillows. Aya's favorite.
I want to eat my pillows now.
Hello, eh?
I like my pillows.
That's right.
Mama,
Rindy.
Something I like. I eat pillows.
That's right. This one is Rindy. Aya, open his pillows na. Mr. Chips. Open na. Cheesy. Too cheesy. Open na this one. We ate this one the other day. Rindy. You sit down there. Wait. Why are you sitting down there? Want to mania with Mama? Always mania with Mama. Hold it because Mama needs to. Okay, eat first. The Rindy. We have two because that's Sophie's favorite also. Then we have Clover. Yes. Then Piatos for Papa, the sour cream and onion. And then another Moby. Oh, my favorite. Boy Bawang, chili cheese flavor. This is my favorite. Oh, everything is Mama's favorite. Oh, this one you need to try. It's a, oh, what's that? Something fell. Oh, it's a bubble gum. Not for us. This one is bread pan. It sticks in the teeth. So,
Yeah.
oh, mochi. Oh, mamir may sulod ani mochi.
Where did it come from?
There, they give it for free. How many are there inside there? Let's see.
Why did somebody give us that?
I don't know.
Oh,
It's not ours.
I thought
How many?
you were right.
1, 2, only 8. This is only 120 grams. I just want to try this one because the other one that's my favorite is not anymore available. And I really love mochi. Matcha mochi. Let's try it. So small. Yummy. Yummy, but so yummy. So yummy, but I like the other one better. Yummy. Then magic syrup again. And then Aya's favorite. Two more.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Aya's favorite. What's this?
I want to.
Oh, dried fish again.
Why?
Papa's favorite.
You want mine? You want mine? Oh.
Century tuna. Caldereta and afritada flavor.
I'll put it over here.
Oh,
Mama,
is it chili oil?
I want this one off because Sophie wants to.
No, it's okay. You can eat that one pa. The other one, we'll reserve this one so that you will still have a lot. Even if you have, you can close that one, man, Aya.
You can. I don't need egg.
Corned beef. This is our
our
Sudan for today. Our viand for today. Argentina corned beef. What's this? Oh, Bear Brand. I got two. The best meal for me. Bear Brand. So yummy. What's this? Oh,
I eat one.
the best chocolate drink for me is Milo. So we've got Bear Brand and Milo. So what's this? Oh, another favorite. Teneng Sticko. Also our favorite. Oh, jumping again. So we have 3. I think we have 3. Bubble gum there. Don't eat bubble gum, man. Yes, that's right. Sticko.
Where's the bubble gum?
There, oh, it's a bubble gum. Here. 3. But we don't eat bubble gums, man.
Yeah.
It's Bubble Joe. And then, our pancit canton. The chili mansi. I only ordered 3 for the chili mansi because there's a lot pa
Yeah.
in our
Why did you
pantry.
order that for us? Maybe because
Then
like
chili
bubble
mansi,
gum less
we
than
have
Coke.
5
yeah, but
because
I don't like bubble
no more
gum
na in the pantry.
anymore.
Chili mansi is the best.
want to eat that.
Then chicken noodles. Luckily, chicken and chicken. Spicy labuyo chicken noodles and spicy labuyo pork noodles.
Right here.
Oh, this one. Need to open this one.
Hey, Gil. Hey, Kuya. Gil just got me here. Can you help me? Just don't follow me and me
this one. These are the
What do you mean?
frozen
You
goods.
don't want to follow that rule.
I hope it's still frozen.
Why do you hope it's still frozen?
Because it got stuck in their warehouse for
For what? Thanks,
1 day, 2 days. Because I did not deliver yesterday. Ugh. Ah, Turonitos. Turonitos with jackfruit. So, this is my favorite, Mama's favorite. I have 2. Ah, 3. Everything is with jackfruit. Oh, this is the big one, the turon. This one is the turonitos, and this is the turon.
Mama.
Everything with jackfruit.
Mama, who
Yes.
put Papa's own cell phone over there?
Me. Oh, there's a difference. The other one is turonitos, and the other one is turon. This one is
What's
the
5?
tocino. We have 3 tocinos.
Mama, why are you so happy?
Because these
What's
are Mama's
that?
favorites. Then we have saba. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 6. Just microwave and eat.
Yung utot ko yan,
Oh,
because you did not laugh.
wow.
Because you
Whole
already laughed.
saba.
Yeah.
And I have sliced saba. Wow. Then I also have the cassava cake. Oh wow, we're gonna try the thing today. Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Cassava cake.
Before you
Sliced
go it,
saba, microwavable. You just have to put it in the microwave. And then whole saba. Ooh, I'm so excited.
Go there. Yep. Oh, yeah. Got that. Okay. This good is understood. That's what that's do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna flash this wooden, okay? Okay. What's flash fire? Stop. Oi, depende. Good.
So that's it. We're just gonna check if everything is here in the receipt. Sophie, what is your favorite?
This one
The Rinby. What else? Stico also.
is my favorite chips.
The favorite chips, which is Piatos. Yoo-hoo, we have everything. How about Aya? What is Aya's favorite?
Pillows.
Pillows. That's Aya's favorite. What else? That's it? Only pillows?
Bread and then
Bread.
bread and pillows.
Pillows. That's right.
What's up? This Stick-O.
Stick-O also. Very
Stick-O.
yummy.
Stick-O. Wow. Stick-O.